Asian First brand, creator of innovative piping tools. Smart Spring Tube Cutter Series. The design of tube cutters makes the motion of tube cutting easy, smooth, and time-saving. Once the blade is in the indicated position according to hard or softness of the tubes, the patented spring design makes the cut in one motion. Users can make the cut without having to tighten the knobs again. When using traditional tube cutters, soft tube can be deformed and hard tube will damage the blades and shorten the lifespan of the blades. The spring in the Smart Spring Tube Cutter will prevent deformation of the tubes and reduces damage to the blades. When copper tube isn't perfectly rounded, it can't be cut by traditional tube cutters because the blade can't cling onto the tubes. The patented spring design makes cutting not rounded tubes possible. Asian First Refrigeration Corporation has acquired patents from many countries for Smart Spring Tube Cutter, which is just one of our many innovative products. Asian First Refrigeration Corporation will continue to develop innovative and breakthrough piping tools, such as tube cutters for different materials and tube benders and flaring tools.